This video, I would like to share how we can test 12-volt transformer. So from here, this is for the input voltage, and this 3 is for the output. So the primary coil is from here. This is from the primary coil. So the 230 voltage is the input voltage, and this is for the output voltage. So the output voltage is 12V and 0 and 12V, 3V8. This is for the current. So this transformer you can use for 12 volt. If you use for these two, wire, then you will have 12 volt. This we call for half wave 12 volt. You are not using the full wave of this transformer, so the ampere will be lower. If you use 2 plus 1, which means 12 volt, then this is ground, then you have this is the full wave. You are using the full ampere of the transformer, then you will get exactly 3 Vm watt. And the other side, if you can use in this position, so 112, the other side also 12, and if you use these two wire, you're not using this, then you will get 24 volt. And this also half wave of 24 volt. So how we can test this transformer? So first we're going to use with we're going to supply power from here. So this is for the power source. One is live, one is neutral. So make sure you connect properly. So this is the input, and we're going to connect to the power AC here. So we're going to measure this transformer. From here, this is the input. One is live and neutral, and so 230 voltage, and here's 12 volt, 0, 12 volt. So I'm going to measure the voltage. So turn on the switch. Alright, so don't touch the transformer anymore. Set it to the AC voltage here, and so don't touch the cable, just hold the connector here. So one is 12 and 0, so we should get 12 volt. So I have a 14.4 voltage because this is the output, is not constant. This will be either always must be more than 12 volt. So this is not a constant. The AC is a wave. So this is more than 12 volt, and so this 12 and 0, this is correct here, and another side 12 and 0, this is correct. So two wire, I get 12 volt, and from this side also I have 12 volt. So I can use only these two to come out 12 volt, but we get only the, I'm just using only the half of transformer. The other side also the same. If I just use these two as 12 volt, then I'm using half of transformer, half of the coil, so the ampere will be lower. So if I'm use 12 and 12, 12 and 12, so how much I get is 28 voltage. So this is what we call this 12 volt we can use as 24 voltage output. So I'm not using this anymore by this time. So 12 is become 24, 28. So because this is not unregulated, this is unregulated, so this is not constant yet, so we get 28 voltage. So it means this transformer you can use as 12 volt and you can use as 24 voltage. Let me switch off first. So the first position we can use this transformer. Here is 200 AC. So the first position, this transformer we can use as this position. So this is input, output. Only we're going to use for 2 wire. Then we will have half wave 12 volt. So we are using half of transformer ampere. So if 3 VA, we are using only 1.5 VA. So this transformer ampere will be smaller. Alright, but anyway, we can get here 12 volt. 12 volt, 1.5 VA. And the second position, we can use this transformer. So AC, the input is the same. So this is what they purposely designed for, to use the full wave. So 12 0 12, then we get here 12 12 0 12. So 12 volt go through to the bridge, the diode, and another 12 volt will go through with the diode, and we have output 12 volt, and the 0 is the remainder 0, which is ground. Then this is, we have full wave 3 VA. So we're using this, is what the purpose they designed for the three wire of transformer. And the other side, so in this position, we can use this transformer as 24 volt. So 12 0 12, we're not using this 0 anymore. So we use 12, this side 12 and this side 12. Then we go through with for one diode, and this time we have 24 voltage output. So the ampere will be low as well. So half wave of 24 voltage. Here I'm going to use the breadboard, and here the first position. So 12, this is diode. Diode, they will come through to, let's say I'm gonna just put here. Okay, 12 volt, and then one of the ground wire. This is the negative, which is the ground. I'm going to use one of the capacitor. So this is a positive here, positive, positive, and I'm going to use a 1K resistor in the ground. And then I'm going to use light up for LED. So LED, the long pin is for positive, the short is for the negative. So let's try to up the power on. So now we have LED. LED basically is a 3 voltage. So now this transformer come out as a 12 volt. 12 volt come as the bridge, which is diode, and pass through one capacitor and 1K resistor, and this is the ground. So we can use in this position. This is the first way to use. That is a half wave 12 volt. Right, so for the full wave, we're gonna use with LED again. Right, so for the full wave, I'm going to remove, turn off the switch. Okay, and move. So this time, there's one more diode. So one more diode here. So there's one diode from 12 volt one side here, and another diode from top of one side here, and the ground is ground here, and a capacitor, the positive is the long here, and I still will get 12 volt. Right, so if I turn on the switch, so still the same. So this is what the full wave 12 volt. So this for the 3 wire, and the third way, so this is half wave 24 volt. Half wave 24 volt. This time I'm gonna remove the ground wire here, and the diode I need to use one piece of the diode, and so here is 12 volt, here also 12 volt, so 12 means 24 voltage, and the 1 kilo ohm resistor is too low. I need to replace to 2 kilo ohm. If you don't have 2 kilo ohm, you can put for 2.2 kilo ohm. So let's turn on the switch here. Alright, so I do mistake here. So for the half wave 24 voltage, there will be only one diode. This is, if you put a two diode, then the circuit cannot be complete. So here is one diode and output positive, and this is the ground. Generally here the circuit can be complete. So this is how the way that the 3 wire types of the transformer working. Alright, so I hope you understand, and I hope you like this video. And this video is for beginner, those who are trying to learn the electronic. And thank you for watching my video.